Hello and welcome to this Accomplished Beginners Blender 3D tutorial number 4. In this tutorial I'll talk about normals because this is a preparation for what's to come. Start out by choosing the top ortho view, and I will delete the default cube and I will add a plane. Then I will scale this plane by pressing S, X and 3 to scale it 3 times its size in the X direction, and S, Y, 2 to scale it in the Y direction. Then we'll go into edit mode by pressing Tab, press W and select subdivide and choose 2. Then we'll press N to open up the transform and other little goodies menu and check the normals face box. Then press 3 to look at this from the side. We can increase the normal size here a little bit so that we can see this. So the normal of something, the normal is a perpendicular line to a surface. Just like this. This is the surface, and this is its normal. The blue line here is the normal. So go back to 3, and now if I rotate this plane, these normals should remain perpendicular to this plane, right? And I'll press R, X, and I start moving the mouse. And look there, they're not normal. The normals are skewed. And that is because the scaling of this plane has not been applied to its data. This is something that is very important to know about, because you could really cause you a bother if you're working on a model and something doesn't seem just right, and then you start to realize that normals are not pointing the right way. But there is a way to fix this. So we press Tab to go back to object mode, and then press Control A, and in this case, since we have changed the scale of the object, not of the mesh when we started, we scaled the object. That's why this happens. If I have went into edit mode and scaled the mesh, the same thing would not have happened. So I'll demonstrate that soon. Here, so I'll apply the scale, and then we go back to edit mode and look there. The normals are right. So if you ever encounter that problem, that the normals in your mesh are not pointing the right direction, it could be so that you made a change to the object and then it doesn't transfer automatically to the mesh. So I'll go back to object mode and I'll delete this, and I'll shift add a plane, and then go into edit mode directly, and then scale X3 and scale Y2. Okay, sorry. Scale X3 and scale Y2. Same thing. W, subdivide, same thing, 2. And make sure we have face normals on, and 3, and look at that, and then we rotate R, X, and look, they're perfect, no problem. They stay normal. So it's because I changed the scaling of the object before I started to manipulate the mesh. Then for some reason that scaling was not transferred correctly, so the normals were skewed. That's all I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. Maybe not that exciting, but could save you a lot of time when things like that happen and you're scratching your whatever out, and you could have so much more fun spending time actually doing some modeling. In tutorial number 5, we will model a house. So I talk to you soon. Bye-bye.